For this unboxing, I have the new leather accessories from Portland Leather. I hope to see more releases for larger bags, but we have plenty of small SLGs for now. The first one is the Gordita Pouch. It's bigger than I thought. Things sold out so fast I didn't even check the size. The size is around 5 by 5 inches, with a YKK zipper closure and a lobster clasp. Looking at it in person, it seems like a practical accessory and can be quite useful. Some PLG leather accessories are quite small, and I'm glad they now make a bigger pouch. With this kind of design, getting the zipper to close fully can be tricky. I did have to line up the zipper teeth for the first couple of times, and I can easily close it fully afterward. I do like this Gordita pouch. I can hang it on my back as an extra pocket for smaller items. I forgot to mention, this is their peacock color. Did any of you also pick up this accessory? The next item is their Lovebug wallet. They have this in two sizes, either classic or plus, and this is the plus size Lovebug. This beautiful green leather is their matcha color and is a smooth leather. It has a snap button closure and an accordion card case design. Many people complain that they can't put many cards in the Daisy card case, and now they give us a card wallet that is big enough for any cards. With this design, you can stretch it out a little if you have many cards you want to bring. You can try the classic size if you don't need the space for too many cards. Because it's more roomy with this card wallet, you can use it for thinner business cards other than your credit cards. The card I used in this video was not thick, and I was able to take it in and out from each card slot. I think this is their best card case design, even though it was sold out at first, but since they have restocked, and you are now able to order this in many colors. Personally, I prefer the plus size. Other than credit cards, I can also bring some cash or coins with me. It's great for running errands. I wasn't sure what to expect from their new products, but I'm genuinely loving this. These are definitely practical leather accessories that make me want to collect more. That's it, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!